This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango kombucha at home. First, you'll need your kombucha starter, also known as a SCOBY, along with some prepared sweet tea. Combine these in a clean 1-gallon glass jar, ensuring you leave about 20% of the jar empty for proper fermentation. Cover the opening with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping out contaminants. After your first fermentation, which usually takes 7 to 10 days, it's time to prepare for the second fermentation. Peel and dice about 1 cup of fresh mango, ensuring it's in small pieces. Carefully strain your finished kombucha from the first fermentation into clean, airtight bottles, leaving a small amount of headspace. Then, add the diced mango to each bottle, distributing the fruit as evenly as possible among them. This is where the delicious mango flavor develops. Once your bottles are filled with kombucha and mango, seal them tightly. Place them at room temperature for 2 to 5 days to allow for carbonation. It's crucial to burp your bottles daily by briefly opening them to release any built-up carbon dioxide, preventing excessive pressure. After achieving your desired fizziness, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process and chill your delicious drink. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade mango kombucha. Serve it chilled, perhaps over ice, for a truly refreshing and healthy beverage. Don't be afraid to get creative with future batches. Try experimenting with other fruits like berries, or even adding a touch of ginger for a different flavor profile. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.